If you're like me and like most folks, you probably have a bunch of subscriptions, right? Might be news sites that, like me, it's news sites that I go to prepping the show. Might be something else that you subscribe to. And a lot of times you lose track on what those news sites are or what, your subscriptions are. You don't know who's got what. You don't know where you lose the password and all that kind of stuff. Wes Bunch from Bridgehead IT is joining me right now, as he does on Tuesdays for Tech Tuesday, to talk about how you can better manage all those subscriptions instead of them managing you. Hey, Wes.
Hey, good morning, Trey. How are you doing?
I'm doing well. How are you?
Good. Well, I've got a couple of them that I can offer up that you may be able to cancel. Adobe Illustrator is one of the best photo editing and graphic design programs money can buy. And depending on the plan you have, you may be spending upwards of $20 a month on it. I've been spending some time going through my subscriptions from over the years, and I recently came across that one, and I found a program called Inkscape. Inkscape is a great photo editing application. You can edit pictures in it. You can convert photos to vector images, and you can even create your own digital artwork, maybe if you're into the whole NFT thing. But it's cool because it's a free open source graphic software, and it comes with a ton of drawing tools. Plus, its interface is really accessible. It's been around for a long time, and there's a ton of YouTube videos on how to use it. And, man, I was able to cancel that Illustrator subscription the next day. You can find it free for download at inkscape.org. And I'm usually skeptical of free programs, right, because they're kind of difficult to figure out or clunky to install, or maybe they've got a cybersecurity problem with them. Inkscape is simple, lightweight, and secure. Another one, Microsoft Office, which includes Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook, and a handful of other productivity tools. It's been kind of a staple in the workplace for over 30 years, and it's, my go-to hands down commercially for a business if you're looking for that type of software. But there's one for free for personal use, or maybe if you're a student, called LibreOffice. That's LIBRE. LibreOffice uses an open document format, but it's completely compatible with Microsoft Office format documents. So you can open up spreadsheets, presentations, Word docs in it, and you can edit them. It's surprisingly powerful, and most users find that they can do way more than they'd ever need to do with that. So you can find it free for download. It doesn't have the level of support you get from a paid product. So, again, I'm not a huge fan of it for business use, but it is great for personal use. So, I look at these software subscriptions like I do Lent. They add up very slowly over time. And one day you wake up, covered with them, and you've got an act fire in your bank account if you're not careful. So some more information on our website with some other free options out there. But, Inkscape and LibreOffice are two fantastic ones.
And that's bridgeheadit.com, and you hear me talk about Bridgehead all the time. There's cybersecurity stuff that they do as well. Wes, thanks, man. We'll talk again soon.
Likewise. Thanks, Trey. Have a good day.
You too. Wes Bunch, CEO at Bridgehead IT. Check him out.